guys, today I have an exciting new unboxing video for you today. If you guys have not checked out my previous video, I will link it up in the cards for you right now and down in the description. But I did do a Boots x Love Island unboxing. But today we are doing the Boots Summer Glow Getter Beauty Box. And this is a premium beauty box, so it has some premium beauty brands in it. And I paid £55 for it, but it actually retails for over £208. And it has 5 full-size beauty products in here. So honestly, this is such a bargain and such a deal. And if you guys have not come across me before or haven't seen any of my other videos, I love a good bargain or a good deal. And I am really excited to unbox this box with you guys today so you can see all the products inside it. It is actually still up on Boots' website for sale. So if you guys want to check out this box, I will make sure to link it. You know where all my links are. And if you do want to get it, it is only £55 and I think it is a steal. So please go check it out. If you want to have any of these products or get any of these products individually, I will also make sure to link them down below as well. So this box, according to Boots, is for all of their glow getters. So it's really a box designed for summer products, summer skincare and beauty products to really help bring out your natural glow in your healthy skin and obviously a beautiful makeup routine as well. So overall, I think this product is great for those that are seeking healthy, glowy, great skin, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into the unboxing. This box includes products from like Fenty Skin, Sol de Janeiro, Laura Mercier, a whole bunch of premium beauty brands. What's great is that they have both full size and premium sample sizes and travel sizes in this box. So what's really great is you can actually take a lot of these products on the go with you if you're going on a summer holiday. Again, these products are going to help bring out that glow, so any body or skincare products that are really going to make you glow is what you're going to find in this box. And not to mention, this box is heavy and it's actually a very nice quality box. For those of you guys that don't know who I am, hello, hi, how's it going? My name is Anika and I'm an American living in London, and I want to open this box with you guys today because for those of you guys that don't know, Boots is a drugstore here in the UK. For my Americans out there, it's probably the equivalent of a Walgreens or a Dwayne Reed or a Rite Aid. And what's great about Boots is not only do they sell regular drugstore items, they sell a number of premium beauty items as well. I will link their website down below, but I absolutely love that Boots has really leveled up their beauty game and all of their products that they carry, and their brands are really premium now because of the competition here in the UK. So I think this box is great value for money. So if you do want to check it out, I will link it down below, but let's unbox. So as you can see, this box is brimming full of products. It is completely full, and I am so excited to open these up with you guys. So the first thing that I see here is actually sachets, and these are from Drunk Elephant. So there are 2 sachets in here, and the 2 sachets that are in here are the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzy and the Marlua. And then these are things that you can use as a skin primer, but also it is a skin tint, I believe. So this is for bronzing as well. So 2 great products to both prep your skin and then obviously give you a bronzy glow for the summer as well. And when I look at the size of these products, which is 1.5 ml each, this would then each be about £5 for each of these sachets, which seems pricey, but it is Drunk Elephant products. So the next product is another sample product, and this is from Laura Mercier. And this here is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer Hydrating Deluxe. And this is a 10 milliliter product. So within this 10 milliliters, when you do the math per milliliter, it is about £7 of value for this. So this is a hydrating primer. So another prep for your skin to have glowy skin. And honestly, it'll probably help last with your makeup in this summer heat. The next product is a premium sample, and it is from Lancaster, and it is a Lancaster Sun Beauty Invisible Face Fluid SPF 30 Sun Cream. And this is a great little size, something that you can just throw in your handbag and apply sun care or sun cream on your face. Make sure you guys are always using some sort of SPF every single day, especially obviously when you're out in the sun, but I use SPF every day. This is great for a small size to put into your handbag. When I did the math on this, because it's about 3 milliliters, it is about £1.92 for this sample size. So a great little sample to throw in your bag. Now, the next product in here is actually a full-size product, and it is the first thing that I'm going to be trying because it is a new product for me, and it is a Fenty Skin Buff Rider Exfoliating Body Scrub. So this is a scrub for your body, and the full size is 170 milliliters, and it retails for £28. I have never tried anything from the Fenty Skin line. I have tried things from Fenty Beauty, so I am super excited to try this out. The next product is a premium sample, and this is from Rituals, and it is a Rituals of Karma Shimmering Body Oil. So it's something that you can obviously put on after you tan, before you go to a summer party, or just if you want to get that instant glow. And this is actually 30 milliliters, and for 30 milliliters, when you do the calculations, it's about $6.50 or so in the price that you would be paying for this. The next product is another premium sample from Lancaster, and this is the Lancaster Golden Tan Maximizer After Sun lotion. And this is a 15 milliliter product, and if you were to do the calculation based on a full-size product, this would cost you about $168 for the sample. A great product to have, again, throw into your bag after you have a good session out in the sunbed or lying outside. Obviously, you want to make sure that your tan is going to last throughout the summer. This is a great product to add on to make sure that tan lasts. The next product is a cult classic, and I have definitely tried this before, and it is something that I am so happy that I have a new sample size of, and it is a Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is a 25 milliliter, so this is the sample size that you would be getting, and for 25 milliliter, when you do a calculation against the full-size product, it would be about £5.83 for this. The next product is another body scrub, but this one is by Boots, and this is the Boots Glow Banana Peel and Polish 100 milliliter. This is a full-size product, and this retails for £2, and this is something that exfoliates the skin and provides a healthy glow for your skin. So something to try out if you do want to try this out, and then just give yourself a good exfoliation either before you do self-tanning, or honestly before you go out tanning and after you go out tanning, just to help rub off any sun cream off your skin. I think this would be a great product to try. The next product is something that I have seen in many beauty boxes, and it is the Ren Clear Skincare, and this is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, and it is 100 milliliters, so it is a great travel size product, and for 100 milliliters, this would retail for about £8. So I think for a travel, or for when you're going away, or if you just want to throw into your gym bag or something, I think this is a great toner that's just going to be able to refresh your skin, give you that glowy, healthy look because it has AHA in it, and then you're able to just travel with it because it's in a nice small container. So the next product in the box is actually a full-size product, and it is a product from Elemis. And this is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. It is a 60 ml full-size product, and the retail value is for £40. The next product in the box is another full-size product. I know, I'm so excited about these full-size products. I just cannot believe a beauty box that retails for £55 is giving this many full-size products. But this is a face wash from Grown Alchemist, and it's a gentle gel face cleanser, which has bergamot in it, rosebud, as well as geranium leaf, and it is 200 milliliter in size, and the full size retail value is for £33. I'm so excited. I've never actually even heard of this brand, so I'm really excited to try it out, and who doesn't love new products? The next product is a sample size, and it is from Caudalie, and this is the Caudalie Vino Source Hydra SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. So it is a facial serum. This is actually a 10 milliliter size, and the 10 milliliter product, if you were to purchase it based on the full size product price, this would cost approximately £11. I absolutely love trying out new serums and facials. I am a serumaholic. Actually, the number of serums I put on my face is probably too many, to be honest, but I do love all of these travel sizes. I know people don't really like the smaller sizes, but for me, these are perfect for my gym bag, or obviously when I travel, and they're such great small sizes that you can really get a true understanding of if you like it enough to buy the full size. So the next product is another full-size product, and this is actually a hair oil, and this is a product from Archive, I think is the name, and it's the Good Habit Hybrid Oil, and this is a 50 ml product, and it is a full-size product, and the full-size product retails for 14 pounds. So it is a hair oil that you are supposed to apply into freshly washed hair, and it's damp and condition it from root to tip and comb through and evenly distribute. So I think it's a great product. I have a number of hair oils, but I have never heard of this brand before. So I'm excited to actually try this out and see if it works for my hair to keep it moisturized and hydrated. Oh my gosh, never ending products, guys. But another product that is a great sample size is from Origins, and this is the Origins Ginseng Mask. And this is the glow boosting mask, and it's in the 15 milliliter premium sample size. And at 15 milliliters, this would probably retail for about 6 pounds and 80 pence. And this is a great mask. I've actually tried this before, but again, this is a great size to throw into your toiletries bag when you are traveling, or even if you're going to the gym and you want to put on a little bit of mask and sit in the sauna, which by the way, I have no shame. I do that at my gym. People think I'm weird, but again, no shame. I might as well do that. And it is a great size to try out if you've never used this product before, a great sample size to really give you a true understanding if this is a product you want to buy in full size. The next is another sample, and this is the Clarins Hydra Essential Cream. This is a facial cream, and it's 15 milliliters in size. So when you do the math based on a full-size product, you would be paying about 11 pounds and 40 pence for this sample. And the final product is a sheet mask. I love a good sheet mask. Sheet masks are just great. You can throw them in the fridge, cool them down, and I think that it actually has a cryo cooling technology in this sheet mask. And this is a Solista Beauty Brightening Instant Facial 30 milliliter full-size product. This retails for $7.99, and I think this is something that's great that you can throw into your suitcase, you can put into a fridge, or even, it feels cold to the touch right now. What is great is you can throw this on after you're out in the sun all day and before you get ready for a night out, for example, and you can actually cool down your skin with this, and I love a good sheet mask. Who doesn't? Everyone does. And this is a great new brand that I've never actually tried before, so I'm excited to try it. Anyways, guys, those are all the products in today's unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to create more content like this for you guys in the future. If you want me to unbox more videos, please let me know down in the comments below. Or if you try out any of these products, please let me know down in the comments below. Otherwise, I have another video, like I said, the Boots X Love Island video. So that is another beauty box unboxing video that I have done. So make sure to check that out after this video. If you guys want to see more unboxings from me and you are keen on seeing more of these types of beauty videos and beauty box videos, please make sure to hit that big red subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you know exactly when my next video is going live. Anyways, guys, I hope you are having an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye!